Which of the following is correct? So we have question 1. You need to check the answer for the product of the following numbers. When I say product, okay, product means times. There will be in the questions later on that you come across this word product. Product means times. Okay, so which of the following is correct? So I want to know which one gives the correct answer. So you need to know your times table very well. In this case, you will have the following timetable. Timetable 6, timetable 7, times table 8, times table 8 as well. Okay, so you need to know your times table very well. If you're not sure of your times table, what you can do is you can write it out. Okay, like times table 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and then 32, 36, 40, like that. If you still don't understand how I get this one, then you can do slowly. 1 times 4 equals to 4. 2 times 4 equals to 8. 3 times 4 equals to 12, and so on until 10 times 4 equals to 40, all the way. All right? So, which one is correct? 4 times 6 is not 26. 4 times 6 is 24. This is incorrect. Times table 6. This is times table 6 or times table 4. So you can see that. Right? Because this is interchange. This can also mean 6 times 4. Same thing. Okay? Next one. 7 times 7 is not 48. Answer is 49. Not right. 8 times 8 is 64. Correct. 9 times 8 is not 72, is 74, but answer is 72. The correct answer is number 3. Okay, next one, number 2. Find the missing number. When you are supposed to find the number that you need to divide with, this is the number you need to divide with to get. Okay, what you get here, this 23 is what we call the quotient. And this 5 is my remainder. Okay, so how do we get the blank in front here? I simply take my quotient, you times it with what I divide with. So 23 times 9 equals to, how do we do this? 23 times 9, this one, the working. Okay, start with your ones. 3 times 9 is 27. 7, 2. 9 times 2 or 2 times 9 is 18. Plus 2 is 20. 207. Then what do I do? This remainder, I need to take my 207 plus my 5 remainder equals to 212. Answer is number 4. Okay. Next one. 237 times 7 is equals to, so you have this and this. What do? I do the working. Okay. 237 times 7, like this. Okay, we start with the ones. 7 times 7 is 49. So I say your times table must be very strong. Okay, 7 times 7 is 49. 9 here, 4 on top. Then 3 times 7 is 21. 21 plus the 4 on top is 25. 5 here, 2 on top. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. Answer is 1659. Number 4. Okay. Next one, question number 4. I do 4 and 5 first. Okay, what is the remainder when 549 is divided by 7? So you need to do the working. How do I do the working? This is the working. 549 divided by 7. Okay, if you're not sure, then you write down timetable 7. Timetable 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and 8 times 7, 9 times 63, 70. Okay, like that. So now we look at the first digit, which is digit number 5. Can 5 be divided by 7? 5 is smaller than 7, cannot. Put a 0 on top. Then we look at 54. Is there a 54 in times table 7? Let's look. Is there a 54? Don't have. The nearest is 49, right? 49. So what times 7 give you 49? This is 7 times 7. Give me 49. So 7 on top. Minus. Understand so far? Okay. Let me just erase and write properly. 54. 49. Okay. Then when I minus, 14 minus 9 is 5. Then here 4, 0 already. Yeah. Then 9. 9 is the balance, right? You bring down the 9. 59. Is there a 59 times table 7? Don't have 59, but the nearest is 56. Okay. So 56 is the nearest. So 56 is what times 7? 8 times 7. So it will be 8 on top here. Minus 9 minus 6 is 3. So the balance here, this one, there's no more number at the side here, right? There's no more number here, right? So this 3 is called my remainder. This is called my remainder. This 78 is called my quotient. Understand? Okay. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 3. Answer is number 3. Like that. Next one. When 485 is divided by 9. So 485 divided by 9 equals to the quotient. Quotient means I want the answer. Let's check it out. So 4, 8, 5, and 9. Times table 9. So we go times table 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 9 is 63. And then 72. And then 90. Okay. So we have this here. Now we look at the first digit. First digit is 4. 4 is smaller than 9. Cannot. So it's a 0. So we look at 48 here. 48. Is it in times table 9? Is there a 48 in times table 9? Don't have. Nearest is 45. And this is 9. 5 times 9 equals to 45. So we put that 45 here. So it's 5. Minus 8 minus 3 is 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. Yeah, bring down the 5. 35 here. Is there a 35 in times table 9? Is there a 35? Don't have. The nearest is actually 27, right? And that is 3. Minus 5. 15 minus 7 is 8. And then minus here 2, 0. Then I have no more numbers, right? No more numbers, right? So this is called my remainder. This is my remainder. And where's my quotient? This is my quotient. The answer is my quotient, Q. Okay, answer is number 3. All right. Okay, so they say here, find the product. Remember I say product? Product means times. So you're supposed to multiply. So for A, it is 759 times 6 equals to what? And then for B, let me do B here, 586 times 8 equals to what? Okay, so how do I do my multiplication? This is how I do it. 759 times 6. Look at the number in the ones place first. 9 times 6 equals to, you need to know your times table very well, okay? So 9 times 6 will be 54. Then carry up. So 54 is 5, 4, right? The 4, the ones go down here. Can you see the 4 go down here? Then the 5, which is the tens, go up here. The 5 is up there, right? Then 5 times 6, 30. 30 plus the 5 on top just now. So it's 35. 35. Huh? So this one remains below. The 3 go up. Can you see? Okay. Then 7 times 6 is 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. When there's no more number to go up, you just put down like this. Okay. So it is 4554. 4,554. Answer. Next one. 586 times 8. Don't copy yet. Look at my screen. I see people copying. How do we do this? So 6 times 8 is 48. So you have 4 and 8. This one is your ones, this one is your tens. Ones go down, tens carry up. 4. 8 times 8 is 64. 64, ones, tens. 64 plus 4 is, oops, sorry. 64 plus 4 is 68. Okay, 68, right? So 8 goes down, 6 goes up, like this. Okay, next 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 6 is 46. No more number, just put it there. 4, 6, 8, 8. And that is your answer. 4,688. Okay. What is the quotient when 928 is divided by 7? Okay. Give me a moment. What is the quotient when 928 is divided by 7? So for part A, it's a simple 928 divided by 7, like this, okay? So you do your working, 928 divided by 7. So you need to know your times table 7 very well. So 9 divided by 7, I can. There is 7 itself, 1. 1 times 7, give me 7. Minus, then 2. Carry down your 2, 22. Nearest to 22. There's no 22 in the table 7. Don't have. But the nearest is 21. And that is 3 times 7 minus, then becomes 1 here. This one, no more, right? 0. Then carry down your 8. Is there an 18 in the table 7? Don't have. Nearest is 14. And that is 2. Minus and 4. This is the balance because I got no more number here, no more number. So this is my balance and this is called my remainder. Okay, and then where is my quotient? This is my quotient. All right, so what is the quotient? The quotient is 132. This is how you write with the remainder, remainder 4. So what's the quotient? Answer is just 132 here, like this. You're supposed to write 132. Don't have to put the R4, remainder 4. Okay. Right, next one. What is the remainder for B when 767 is divided by 6? So 767 divided by 6 equals to, so I'll do the division here. 7, 6, 7, and 6. Okay, so can 7 be divided by 6? Can. The nearest is 6, 1. So 6, carry down, 16. Is there 16 in table 6? Don't have. Nearest is 12. That is 2 times 6 minus, and then 6 minus 2 is 4. Bring down the 7. So it's 47. There's no 47. Nearest is 42. And that is 7 times 6 minus, and that's 5. This one is my last number because there's no more number. So this is called my remainder. And this is my quotient. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 5. So if you write down this 1, 2, 7, remainder 5. Answer is just 5. Okay? In a shop, candies are sold in packs of 9. Nora needs 380 candies for a party. What is the minimum number of packets of candy Nora must buy from the shop? So which means they say the candies are sold in packs of 9. So one packet, let's say this is one packet, I have 9 candies like this. This is one pack. Okay, and I have a total of my candies. Total candies is 380. How many packets must Nora buy? So what do? I simply take my 380 divided by 9 this way. Okay, so when I divide, there will be remainder. Why do I know there's remainder? Because they say minimum number, smallest number. So 380 divided by 9. 3 cannot divide by 9, put a 0. Then you look at 38. There is no 38 in times table 9, but there's a 36, which is 4. Minus, that will be 20. Some carry down 0. 20, there's no 20 in table 9, but there is an 18, which is 42. Okay, then here we'll get 2. All right, so what is the minimum number of packet? So you can see 42 remainder 2. If I buy 42 packets, I will not be able to get my 380 because I have a remainder here. So which means I need to buy more. I need to buy more. I need to buy one more packet. So 42 plus 1 packet so that I can get the remaining 2 candies. This is 2 candies remaining. This is the 2 here. Okay. So which means I need to buy 43 packets of candies. Okay. For every 4 chocolate bars John bought, he received 1 free. John had a total of 200 bars, chocolate bars and lollipop. Okay, 1 free lollipop, sorry. How many chocolate bars did he buy? Okay, so let's say for chocolate bar, he will get 1 free lollipop. Okay, and then he have a total of, my total means everything in all, chocolate bar plus lollipop equals 200. I have 200 in total. Okay, now this is considered one set, S-E-T, one set. Okay, one set means 4 chocolate bar, I get 1 free lollipop equals to, this is just add on. So I have five items. I get 5 items in one set. One set is 5 items. Now I have how many items? I have 200 chocolate bars, right? And lollipop. So this is considered 200 items. So how many sets are there? Number of sets equals to, you take your 200 total items divided by 5 items to get the number of set. The number of set is 40 sets. So there are 40 sets of chocolate bar and 40 sets of lollipop. That's what it means. How many chocolate bars did he buy? So chocolate bar in one set. So one set is 4 chocolate bar. I have 40 sets. That will be 40 times 4 equals to 160 chocolate bar. Answer is 160. Okay? Minghua received 3 free stickers for every 15 markers bought. In the end, Minghua received 21 free stickers. What was the smallest number of markers Minghua bought? Again, this is like the sets question, sets, okay? So let's say 15 markers bought, I get 3 free stickers. Okay, right now he get 21 free stickers. I want to know how many markers he bought. This is what is unknown, right? The markers do not know. So what do I do? From the free stickers, we look here. I can find the number of sets. Number of sets, like just now. So I take 21 divided by 3 equals to 7 sets. There are 7 sets. 7 sets of the whole thing. What is a set? Set is this. Means 15 markers, I get 3 free stickers. This is one set. So he have 7 sets of this thing going on. Okay? He have 7 sets of this thing going on. So I have 7. So which means I know that my markers for one set is 15. This is one set. If I have 7 set, I just times it with 7 equals to 105. And that is my answer. Okay? Aihua paid $546 for a table, means one table and 4 chairs. The table costs thrice as much as a chair. Find the cost of the table. Okay, let's look at the. The means one table, right? The table means one table. So one table is thrice as the chair, one chair. So one chair and one table. I compare one table and one chair. One chair is a short part like that. One what? Okay. thrice as much. So the table is thrice. 1, same, then 2, 3. Can you see the table is 3 parts or 3 units? Chair is 1 unit. This is 1 table, 1 chair. But how many chair did he buy or she buy? 4 chairs, right? So this is 1 chair, 2 chairs. You can carry on down. 3 chairs. And then another last chair. Like this. Okay. Total paid is 546. Now, how many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 parts, or we can say 7 units. 7 units represent $546. I want to know the cost of 1 table. So 1 table means this whole lot. How many parts is this? Equals to 3 units. I want to find these 3 units. Find 1 unit first, which means I need to divide. To find 1 is to find each part, right? So 546 divided by 7. How do you divide? As usual lah. 5, 4, 6 divided by 7 like this. Okay? So when you divide by 7, you are going to get the answer $78. Okay? This is 1 unit, but table is how many units? Table is 3 units. So 3 units will be 78 times 3 equals to, so how to do that one? 78 times 3, this one. Okay, then you do your working. All right, and you get your answer $234. Answer is $234. Answer, right? 1 t-shirt and 1 pair of pants cost $75. 8 t-shirt and 1 pair of pants cost $264. So I have 2 sets of information here. Let's write down. So 1 t-shirt. So we use short form, 1 t-shirt plus 1 pants equals to $75. I'm done with this one. This part here done. Next, 8 t-shirt plus 1 pants equals to $264. Can you see? Okay. Then I will be grouping them according to the same item. See, you see, I'm grouping them up. Okay. Now, I want to find out about my pens. 1 pair of pens, right? If you look here, there's a common item here. The common thing, the common number is 1 pens and 1 pens, right? So if I were to minus them, this one I minus, this one I minus, this one I minus, okay? It will be 8 t-shirt minus 1 t-shirt equals to 7 t-shirt. Right? This one, if I minus 1 pens minus 1 pens equals to 0 pens. No more pens. So I can cancel out. Don't want to see. This one, I minus 264 minus 75. I will be getting 189. So it simply means that my 7 t-shirt is equals to 189. So I write it out. Okay? 7 t-shirt is $189. 1 t-shirt is, to find 1 is to find each. You must always divide. 189 divided by 7 equals to 189 divided by 7. You do this one again. Okay? And you'll be getting your answer $27. Right, this is my 1 t-shirt. This is 1 t-shirt. I want to find what? I want to find a pair of pens. So we look back at the first sentence just now here. Okay, I'm going to erase this. So we know this part, right? 1 t-shirt and 1 pair of pens cost $75. So I write down lah. 1 t-shirt plus 1 pens equals to $75. Now I know my t-shirt is this much. So I know that my t-shirt is $27 plus 1 pence equals to $75. This is as good as saying, if I draw my whole model, okay, if I draw my whole model like this, the whole thing is $75. Okay, then part of it is your t-shirt and part of it is your pants, right? Let's say your t-shirt is this much. This is t-shirt and this is pants. T-shirt I know is $27. Can I find my pants? I can by taking $75 minus $27. And I will be getting $48. Answer is $48. Okay, take note of the answer. Okay, so 6 packet is $45. And then I want to know 15 packets. So you must go the closest. So in times table 6. In times table 6, there is only 6, 12, 18, and then 24. I do not have 15, but the nearest to 15 is 12 packets. Okay, 12 packets only. So which means you find 12 packets first. If 6 packets is $45, then 12 packets will be, what you need to do is from 6 to 12, I times 2. 6 times 2 becomes 12. So over here, I must also times 2. Okay? So you take 45 times 2 equals to $90. All right. Now, do I get my 15 packets? No, I only get 12 packets. I want 15 packets. I want 15 packets. Okay, right now I want 15. I already have 12 packets. How many more packets do I need? How many more packets? So I take 15 minus 12 to get the balance, right? There will be 3 packets more. 3 packets to go. So I must find the 3 packets, right? The balance here, which is actually 3 times for everyone is $9. So $9 equals to $27. Now, what's my total cost that this Agnes spent? $90 for the 12 and $27 for the 3. So total spend will be 90 plus 27 equals to $117. This is my answer. Okay. Oh. Okay, in a furniture shop, there are 20 chairs and stools in all. In all means all together, okay? Each means one stool have 3 legs, right? While one chair or each chair have 4 legs. This is a chair and this is a stool. Okay, so the chair have 4 legs and the stool have 3 legs. The total number of legs counted is 74. How many chairs are there in the shop? Okay, so you know that this one you can use guess and check, or you can also use supposition. All right, there's 2 methods to do this question. For guess and check, this is how you do it. Okay, so you're gonna draw out a table that have 3 columns. Okay, just like that. Cut it up into 3 columns. One is for chair, one is for your stool, and one is for your total legs. Now, how many chairs are there? You want to find how many chairs are there in the shop, right? But you only given legs. So we work with the legs. So each chair have 4 legs. Right? Each stool have 3 legs. My total number of legs I want is 74. I want 74. And then you can add a tick and cross or a check column here. Okay. Then we can cut it up into about 3 to 4 rows. Okay, let's see about here. Okay, so you want to know that you want to find out number of chairs, and I know that I have 20, a total number of 20 chairs plus stool. Okay, so what do we do first? Usually when you do guess and check, you half first. So 10 chairs, 10 stool. This is chair and this is stool. So 10, 10. So if I have 10 chair, I put here 10 and he put here 10 stool. Times 4 times 3 equals to 40 equals to 30. Total will be 40 plus 30 equals to 70. Is it 74? No, cross. Okay, which means I need to increase a bit, right? So let's say now chair I increase to 12. So if this is 12, then the stools will be 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12, I get 8 stool. So 12, here is 8 times 4 times 3 equals to 48 equals to 24, like that. Okay, then you add it up. This and this. 48 plus 24 equals to 72. Is it 74? Not yet. Close enough. Okay. Let's go a bit bigger. 14. So here will be 20 minus 14. I get 6. Okay. So it will be 14. And then here is 6 times 4 times 3 equals to 56. And here will be 18. You take these two and add up together. 56 plus 18 equals to 74. Is it 74? Yes. So how many chairs are there in the shop? We look at chairs. The correct one just now, how many chairs? 14 chairs. Answer is 14 chairs. Okay. This is your answer. Another method is via supposition. All right. This is method number 2, supposition. Okay, since they want to know how many chairs are there in the shop, so we are going to assume the opposite. Okay, since we want to know chairs, we do the opposite. The opposite of chair will be stools. So let's assume all are stools. So how many chairs and stools do we have? 20. So if I say all are stools means we have 20 stools. So how many legs would that be? 20 times 3 equals to 60 legs in all. Okay, so how many legs do they tell us in the question they have? 74, right? So we find the extra legs. Extra legs will be the original leg, 74 minus the 20 stool leg equals to 14. All right, now I'm going to continue here, okay? No space, okay? Then we find the difference in number of legs, which means I take my chair's leg minus my stool leg equals to 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Then what do I do? This is all just now one, so I pack it one side. So what do? I continue here. I will take 14 divided by, 14 is just now the extra legs, divided by one leg, okay, equals to 14. So how many stools do I have? How many chairs do I have? I have 14 chairs. Can you see? Answer is the same. Okay, you have two methods. One is guess and check, one is supposition. So you see here the figures. Figure 1 is one circle. You can see here one circle, right? Figure 2 is 4 circles. Figure 3, 9 circles. Figure 4, 16 circles. All right. There is a pattern. And how do we get the pattern? It is simply by taking, you see, to get figure 1, you take 1 times 1 equals to 1. Figure 2, 2 times 2 equals to 4. Figure 3, 3 times 3 equals to 9. Figure 4, 4 times 4 equals to 16. So figure 5 will be 5 times 5 equals to 25. All right? So this is the answer. And then figure 6, 6 times 6 equals to 36. This is the answer. Okay? Now they ask you how many circles are there in figure 8. So let's continue lah. Figure 7 will be 7 times 7 equals to 49. Figure 8, 8 times 8 equals to 64. So how many circles are there? 64. This is the answer. Okay? Next one. A figure has 10 circles. Which figure is it is? So this is figure number. Then this is circles, right? All right. Now we continue. 9 times 9 equals to 81. 10 times 10 equals to 100 circles. This is what I want, correct? Which figure is it? It's figure number 10. That's my answer. Can you see? All right.